Hi dear student, today in this my online classes you are most welcome by me इंसान अली lecturer सुभागी देवी माध्यमिक विद्यालय इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेज इलाहाबाद महाराजगंज. In my previous classes you have read about past perfect, before it past continuous, and before it past indefinite, and before this my online classes you have read about present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous, and also after that you have read past indefinite, past continuous and past perfect. Today we have to read about past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Affirmative. The same method of this past perfect continuous is same as like as present perfect continuous. Symbol same as like as past continuous. रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. But this symbol is same past continuous, and here perfect. It means the time may be also include. Whom you call past perfect continuous? That sentence who denotes its continuity with some time perfection called past perfect continuous. How we have to solve past perfect continuous tense affirmative sentence? First of all, we have to write subject and after then auxiliary verb been, and after then verbs present participle means verbs first form plus ing, and after then object etc, and after then same as like as since or for period of time since, and for point of time for, and after then time. For example, सरला सुबह से कपड़े धो रही थी. सिंबल रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे, and here time morning सुबह. So first of all we have to write subject. Here subject is Sarla, and after then auxiliary verb had been, and after then verbs present participle dhona wash and ing washing, and after then object kapde clothes, and after then for definite time since, and for indefinite time have. Here morning is definite time, so we have to use since, and after then time morning. So in this way Sarla had been washing clothes since morning. Some examples: वे 2 घंटे से उपन्यास पढ़ रहे थे. So first of all we have to write subject. and after then helping verb, verbs present participle form, novels, time is point of time, then we have to use for, to, hours. In this way we have to solve present past perfect continuous tense affirmative sentence, and after then come to negative sentence. In negative sentence, first of all we have to write subject, and after then auxiliary verbs, single part, and after then not, and after then been. For example, मैं शनिवार से एक पेड़ नहीं काट रहा था. So according to this rule, we have to solve this sums. First of all, subject and had, and after then not, been, verbs present participle form, cutting a tree, sorry, here Saturday, period of time, since Saturday. So in this way we have to solve past perfect continuous tense negative sentence, and come to interrogative sentence. You know there are two types of interrogative sentence. In Hindi, if a question word comes first, then we have to write auxiliary verb had first, and after then subject, and after then been plus verbs present participle form plus object etc, and at last question mark. For example, क्या बच्चे बुधवार से शोरगुल मचा रहे थे. Here in Hindi sentence question word comes first, and if question word comes first in past perfect continuous tense, then first of all we have to write auxiliary verbs had, and after then subject. Had children been making a noise since Wednesday. And suppose that if question word comes in the middle of the sentence, then we have to write question word first. For example, बच्चे बुधवार से शोरगुल क्यों मचा रहे थे. Then we have to add only question word first. Why had children been making a noise since Wednesday? And after then come to interrogative negative. Suppose that if question word comes first in Hindi sentence and middle in negative, then we have to write had plus subject plus not plus been. For example, क्या मोहन 5 घंटों से घंटी नहीं बजा रहा था. Here in Hindi sentence, question word comes first and in the middle negation. Then this sentence belongs past perfect continuous tense interrogative sentence. So question word first comes first in Hindi sentence. Then first of all we have to write auxiliary verb first. Had and after then subject. After then been. After then verbs present participle form ringing. The bell. Here 5 घंटे period of time. Sorry, not period of time, point of time. So we use for 5 hours. And suppose that if question word comes in the middle of sentence, then we have to write question word first. क्यों नहीं बजा रहा था? Then we have to write question word comes first. So in this way we have to solve past perfect continuous tense, affirmative sentence, past perfect continuous tense, negative sentence, past perfect continuous tense, interrogative sentence, and past perfect continuous tense, interrogative negative sentence. And in my next online classes, you have to read future indefinite and future continuous tense. So my dear student, you are advised to complete this past perfect continuous tense, and after then you have to read about future indefinite and future continuous tense. So you are advised to observe future indefinite and future continuous for my next online class, and you have also learned this current online class past perfect continuous tense. Thank you.